Are you just starting your YouTube channel or trying to get your channel to the point where it can be monetized to start making money? You will have to get more traffic so you can get more views and subscribers. Sit back, relax, grab a cup of coffee because I'm going to show you step by step how to get more views and subscribers for your YouTube channel for free. Step 1. Once you have determined the subject or niche you want to do videos on, you use search engine optimization, free tools to determine your title, text, and tags. You want to use keywords, phrases, and questions that you know people are searching for in your title, description, and tags to attract people searching for these words, phrases, and questions to make them viewers and subscribers. You want to identify these search keywords, phrases, and questions with the highest possible search volume and the lowest possible competition. This will help you rank higher in these searches and bring people to your video. Pro tip: keep your titles at about 56 characters and the length of your videos about 10 minutes or shorter. How to get keyword ideas. Auto-complete suggestions in the search bar will give you examples of common searches that people also ask, and a related searches section of search results will also give you ideas. Step 2. Create your video. You can capture video with a camera and microphone. Recording quality will be the important thing here, or do a slideshow with royalty-free images, video, and sound. There is a 4-point theory out there that says the YouTube algorithm doesn't care about subscribers or followers. The triangle of content creation includes topic, title, and thumbnail combined with viewer retention will give you the best chance of your video getting views and your video going viral. Here are some free video editors. Here are some sites that offer free images and video you can use. Use these sites to make thumbnails that will attract attention and motivate people to click through. Here are sites where you can find free sound and music you can use. Here are some free image editors. Click on the link in the description to get access to all these sites and tools. Don't forget to add a subscribe button and an end screen to all your videos. Step 3. Post on a consistent schedule and ask for the like, subscribe, and share at the end of your video. Step 4. Share your video on all the other social media sites. These sites include Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, and all other social bookmarking sites. If you enjoyed this video and it helped you, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends.